Meta, Microsoft, Twitter, and other firms have joined hands with Google in the internet giant's defense in a key U.S. Supreme Court case. Big tech companies have filed a series of briefs on how a broad ruling could harm their businesses and offerings. In the Gonzalez versus Google case, the question is, should tech firms face lawsuits for content for their users? The key lawsuit also questions whether businesses should be held accountable for the content they suggest to consumers. Large IT firms have urged the United States Supreme Court to consider the case carefully. Currently, under Section 230 of the 1996 Act, companies are protected against the content posted by users, including comments, reviews, and advertisements. The Supreme Court is considering if it is time to narrow down the law, which was framed when the internet was not a central part of daily life as it is today. On February 21st, the court is scheduled to hear oral arguments in the case. The petitioners are a family of an American woman who died in an ISIS attack in 2015. They allege that Google, which owns YouTube, is to blame for the algorithm that suggests videos, including those which encourages radicalization. Advocates for children's online safety, such as Fair Play and Common Sense Media, supported the Gonzalez family in their lawsuit. They said the tech industry should be held accountable for how their products might endanger kids. Gonzalez was partially supported by the U.S. government, which argued that in some cases, social media platforms should be held accountable for encouraging hate speech. Meta predicts the lawsuit would compel businesses to remove more content, including topics of public importance, to avoid any unnecessary legal troubles. A sweeping decision, according to Microsoft, could have devastating and disruptive ramifications. Twitter said algorithms help the organization of content by making the web user friendly. Separately, the court will decide on Friday whether to take up two more Section 230 related cases in Texas and in Florida. New lawsuits that would penalize digital companies for removing political speech on their platform are being challenged by the cases.